Hello, collective. Let me see your situation for whenever you see this. So, this is a timeless reading. If this is not your situation, then try to fit in and scroll up. Or you can stay. Maybe there's a message for you. Okay, your current situation as of now, my collective, is you have a desire for someone that have cut you off. You are now I think you are hiding into fake accounts because that's the only way you can see their everyday life or their updates. And you wanted to offer to this person, okay? You want to make a proposal, and uh, what's the proposal that my collective want to give to their person? Give me 3 cards. Tarot Angels, thank you so much for always speaking with me, and thank you, collective, for always sharing your energy with me, or for sharing today if you are new. Okay, thank you so much. Give me 3 cards for my collective so I would know what would they like to offer to their person. Okay, thank you so much, Tarot Angels, and give me 1 last card. Air sign might be resonate, which is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and water sign and fire sign. Heavy on the water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So you want to have to offer a mental clarity or your truth to this person. I think your person knows what are you trying to say, okay? But your person is just waiting for you to say um, the right words, right moments, right, as long as it's true, okay? Because your person have a tender heart, and you know that. And you know that your person is very, very clairvoyant, okay? Your person knows what's happening. And you might want to take an action or travel towards this person because maybe you are in a different city, different at different country, at least a different location, okay? And you want to align with their energy. Clarify this 8 of cups for my collective. Please clarify 8 of cups for my collective. So I think yep, you are abandoning some situation or people in your life for this person because you know that you have a freedom and willpower for your desire, and your person is your inspiration. So let me see your guides. Let me see your guides wants to tell you. Okay, please, Tarot Angels, connect me to their guides. What their guides want to tell to my collective regarding this connection. So this is a love reading, and if you know me, I don't force, or I'm not fixated into my reading. If this love reading, I will post it into my caption, or if it's general, if I can make it general at least. But this one is a heavy love reading. Okay, Libra might be resonate, and Cancer, or at least Libra season or Cancer season might be resonate, okay? So your guides wants to tell you that there will be balance between this connection, and there will be justice. Both of you will for each other cup, okay? There's a lot of love and emotion. It's okay to be safe, to be soft. It's okay to other people to be strong and tough. But to your person, you are safe. If you are looking for answer if you can trust your person, yes. That's the answer. I'm very sure of it. And I know you are too. Because if you know me, I'm not good in English. And sometimes I'm connecting to the energy of my viewer and I don't know what to say, but here I am. I'm confidently saying this because I'm sure. Key. Please clarify. Top price, please. You will have to clarify some things that makes this connection confused. Okay? Confusion within this connection or misinterpretation. Because I think you're hiding your real feelings towards this person, but your guide's telling me that it's okay. Okay? To be honest to this person. Answer that you've been waiting for might be coming to you once you talk to your person. Since you are, I think you're eager to talk to this person for so long. If that's what been, what I've been feeling, okay? So I hope this helped collective and good luck.